We are back in the studio, smoothie in hand, because I need it. So, isn't it so pretty? It's blueberry and mango. Anyway, so I'm back in the studio. Today, I was going to jump right into editing, get stuff done, make more proxies, but I can't because the computer is still rendering the Vlogmas intro. Even though I went to sleep and I woke up 7 hours later, the computer is still rendering. It's on a frame 125, which is pretty crazy because it's been taking forever, and I still need to render the vertical version. I've only rendered the horizontal version for the Vlogmas intro, which is gonna have to be good enough for now because once it's done rendering, I have to edit all of the content, but everything is already saved on my hard drive. So I did that work yesterday. I sometimes feel like, damn, I wish I would have done this Vlogmas intro a long time ago. But I've been working every single day, so there's nothing that I could have done to have gotten it done sooner because I've been working on everything else, as you guys have seen in the videos. So this is the time when it's like, I'm trying to be nice to myself because I'm like, okay, you did the best you could do, and it came out amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with it, but it's also kind of just, I'm like, I still have so much to do. So I'm gonna get started. I think I'm just going to cut some of the hides that I still have left to cut, and then I'm going to jump into the computer because eventually I need to get back on this computer. I'm gonna figure out if I can just watch the videos and see where I'm gonna write down notes to clip it. I usually just clip in Premiere Pro and I don't write down notes in a notepad, but because I don't want to run too many systems on the computer, I don't want to open Premiere Pro while Blender is also doing this because I will crash the computer. So I'm going to start cutting, and it wasn't what I had planned, but I guess it's what I need to do, is sit here and cut and finish cutting all of this and maybe do a few different like things with the straps. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna get started because your girl's got work to do, a lot of work to do. All right, see you guys, bye. This is what I'm talking about. It's slow as fuck. It is so slow. So yeah, this is where we are. It's coming together though. It is coming together. Taking a much needed break. It is Friday. It is my date night. I usually don't work the whole night, but since I'm launching everything soon, yeah, I don't have time to cook, and I also don't have time to do anything but watch like one episode with my babe. But anyway, this looks delicious, and I got noodles. I'll open that and eat it, but I'll be back. I have more cutting to do. I'll show you guys where I'm at right now. Okay, so it's at frame 190 and it is 7:52. So yeah, I'll give you guys a full count on how long this render took, but it's taken forever. And currently I have stuff cut up. I've cut out more keychains and different things. And yeah, I have more things to set up and organize. But yeah, I'm just cutting my little hardware and cutting everything out and laying it out again. So I will be back. I'm gonna go eat with my boyfriend because even though it's date night, I have no time. But it's still date night, so I'm gonna give him 1 hour of my time. I want to spend more time and do nothing and just chill, but I can't. Entrepreneur life, the struggle is real. Alright guys, I'll be back. Bye. What's up guys? It is now 3:31 a.m. and there's so much going on right now in the studio. I have been rendering. That rendering took like 11 hours and now I re-edited and added audio to the animation and just a few little tweaks here and there. But I wanted to get on here and share with you guys too the reality of owning a small business and being an entrepreneur and the tough situations that you will go through. Right now, I have a lot of things going on with my family and my personal life, which is not my place to discuss what's going on with someone in my life, but it's just very hard sometimes as a business owner because you do want to go and be where your family is to comfort people and to be around them at times like this, like big moments like this. These are like the important times, but there's also the reality of that I have to pay my bills and I have to stay here and I can't go be with my family right now. And I have to finish all of these products. And I have to completely run the other side of the business and get everything together. And it's also hard when you can't just leave because it's how you pay your bills. But I still love this. I still wouldn't trade anything for the world because you still have to do that if you have another type of job. People who have kids, people have other situations, you know, but it's hard. It's really hard when you can't leave what you're doing because we have to make money in this society that we live in. So, I don't know, guys. Sometimes life is really fucking hard. I gotta go. I gotta clean my face up and I gotta keep working because I'm an entrepreneur and I can't step away from what I'm doing because I have to get it done. Good night. I'll see you guys later. N75 is doing its first ever giveaway from now until December 31st. To our YouTube subscribers, we will be giving away the first prize will be an airbrushed handbag, the second prize will be our sunglass case, and our third prize will be our new leather mirror. Make sure to check out all of the rules in the description, and also a link to how to enter the giveaway is also in the description. See you guys soon.